dear students. Today we will learn some important example of the algebra of continuous function. In our previous lecture, we already learned the algebra of the sum of two continuous function and also the example of the continuous function, also the example of the sum of two continuous function. In this lecture, we will learn an example which cover the property third, fourth, and fifth of the algebra of continuous function. Suppose that we have a function fx. Suppose that this is a function fx equal to sine x equal to x sine x upon x square plus 2, and the other function gx equal to mod of x, and this function is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay, and this is also continuous at x equal to 0. In this case, for fx, if you want to find the continuity of this function, then we can write fx equal to x sine x upon x square plus 2. In numerator, this is the multiplication of x with sine x, and x is continuous at x equal to 0 because the y equal to x, the graph of y equal to x, the graph of y equal to x is a straight line, and this is continuous at x equal to 0, and sine x is continuous at x equal to 0, and we know that the multiplication of the two continuous function is continuous function. It means the numerator is continuous at x equal to 0. Similarly, x square plus 2 is a polynomial, and we know that every polynomial is continuous at every point inside the in the interval in the real line. It means the denominator part is also continuous, and the numerator and denominator is continuous according the according the algebra of continuous function. The division of two continuous function is continuous function. It means this function is continuous at x equal to 0. And the second is gx equal to mod x is continuous at x equal to 0. If we want to find the continuity of the function, g operation f of x, okay, then it is equal to g operation f of x. We know that the gx equal to this, then the g operation f of x, we can put the value of fx at the place of gx, then it is equal to mod of, this is equal to mod of x sine x upon x square plus 2. Okay, x square plus 2. Now the Goff function is this x square plus 2. It means this function is also continuous at x equal to 0, because we know that if g and f both are continuous at some point, then the g operation f is also continuous at that point. Okay, so we can directly prove and directly say that this function is continuous at x equal to 0, because g is continuous at x equal to 0 and f is continuous at x equal to 0. Similarly, if we want to find g of f g operation f, then it is equal to g operation f operation g, then it is equal to mod of x sine mod of x upon mod of x square and plus 2, mod of x square plus 2, and this function is also continuous at x equal to 0, because this is continuous function, this is continuous function, and this is continuous function at x equal to 0, then this function is also continuous at x equal to 0. This is the first example of continuity of the function. And the second example is suppose that we have a second example is fx equal to, second example, fx equal to sine x and gx equal to mod x. Okay, in this case we know that the graph of sine x is this is the graph of sine x. Okay, when we want to find the g operation f of x, it is equal to mod of sine x, when you put the fx at the place of this fx and the value of fx equal to sine x, then the graph of this function is this, because mod function is always lies in the positive side of a real line, then this function is continuous at every point in the real line, and this function is also continuous. And also if we want to find the continuity of this function at 0 or at any other point at 0, then this function is continuous at x equal to 0, this is continuous at x equal to 0. And similarly, g operation f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay, so this is the application of the algebra of continuous function. We can simply calculate the continuity of a combined function, continuity of the sum of two continuous function, continuity of the multiplication and division, and g operation f, and operation of the two continuous function by the algebra of continuous function. Okay, thank you.